Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a rotating zoom effect in CapCut. So if you want to add a dynamic and cinematic feel to your videos, the rotating zoom effect in CapCut makes your clip looks more engaging and professional. So the effect zooms, these effects, rotating zoom effects, zoom into the subject while rotating the frame. So it will create a smooth and eye-catching transition often seen in cinematic edits, music videos, and action sequences. So to create the rotating zoom effects in CapCut, you can just open CapCut and tap on New Project and select and import your video clip. So here I'm going to just find one video from CapCut library. Okay, let's say I'm going to just use this videos right here. Click on the clip and then tap on add to bring it into the timeline. Now you can just add keyframes for zoom and rotations. So select the video in here. I'm going to trim it first so that it doesn't take long. So I'm going to go with around 5 seconds. Split the clip and delete the rest of them. So now you can just tap on the video clip and tap on keyframe, this diamond shape icon at the top. And now you can move the playhead to the point where you want the effect to start and add keyframe, another keyframes in here at the end. So on the second keyframe in here, you can just swipe through the options in here, scroll forward until you find the basic options. Tap on this. So now tap on a scale and make the scale bigger to have that zoom effect. You can zoom in like this, and now tap on the rotate options and rotate the clip. You can go like this or like this. I'm going to go with this. So you can just rotate it to how you like it. And once you're done, you can tap on the check icon and you can preview the results. So as you guys can see, it will have that zoom in effects, rotating zoom effects that you want. If you want to make it more dramatic, you can adjust the rotate and also the scale again to how you like it. Can also add grabs in between the keyframe to make the rotating zoom smoother. I'm going to use the ease in. Click on a check icon, and this is the final result for the rotating zoom effect. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.